everyone! Welcome to the channel dedicated to sharing the profound insights and wisdom of Andromedan contactee Alex Collier. If you're new here, you're in for a journey that expands your mind and consciousness, bringing you closer to understanding the messages from the fifth density Andromedan extraterrestrials. For those returning, we're grateful for your continued support. Before we dive into today's enlightening content, we have a small favor to ask. If you find value in the knowledge shared in this video, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us amplify Alex Collier's message, allowing us to reach a larger audience with these vital messages. We'd also love to hear from you, so please engage with the comments below. Whether it's a question, your thoughts, or even just an emoji for the sake of engagement, every comment counts. We read every single comment, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Additionally, if you'd like to support us further, consider giving a super thanks tip by clicking the heart with the $sign. This small gesture allows us to continue bringing you more of Alex's messages, unfiltered and directly from his lifelong experiences with the Andromedans. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
Alex, who will announce the launch of MedBeds to humanity and how? Much gratitude for all your dedication from Louise Roberge.
Hi, Louise. There are many different types of healing modalities that are out currently. Some use color, some use scalar waves, some use the ether 369, twine wave 369. The information that comes out of the military and their particular medbed, which would be a true medbed per se, does many different things. It heals using sound and holographic frequency, but it also has lasers in which it can do surgeries. And I do not know if that is operated by a type of AI or not. I don't know anybody who does know. And I do know that this technology, like many others on the surface that are coming out, are reverse engineered technology. How will the military do it? I'm not exactly sure. But if it were me, what I would do is I would have them already moved to the locations they need to be so that they're on site before I told anybody that they're there, that they're up and they're running, and you have the ability to go in and you would follow a very specific protocol. For example, the Q-arc, which is by Quantum Healing Systems. It's holographic. It's literally using the ether, the natural frequencies of the planet and the stars, wrapped in frequency. And the protocols is you go in, you get an exam, you talk to the professionals, doctors, about what it is that's going on with your body. This information or these specific things are then put into a computer program. And the correct frequencies for each of those organs is then, uploaded. You then spend the next day up to 2 hours, maybe longer, in the Q-arc, where your body is read, and then you go through the procedure of healing. And basically what the goal here is, or what the program does, is that it takes your body back to where you were physically at age 30, between age 30 and age 35. And when you get off the table, that's the frequency of your body, where it was at age 30 to 35, whether you're a male or a female. And the next day you come back and they talk to you about the changes, how are you doing, so on and so forth. These are the things you're going to have to look forward to. These are the things you need to keep an eye on so that you don't continue to harm your body or eat all the wrong things, because now that your body is at peak optimal health, your body is still going through the transition of basically age reversing your body. Your body's going to need different types of nutrition. And as we all know, there's a real serious problem with the food chain today. And a lot of that's been done intentionally with Monsanto and just everything else. Your body is going to need nutrition, real nutrition, in order to allow the process to continue for your body to rebuild itself. So these are all things that will be talked about. At least that's the plan. That's the plan that's in place. And as far as some of the other systems that are out there, I couldn't tell you because I haven't been involved in those protocols. But you have to do the research. You have to find out what feels right to you. What does your intuition tell you? And this can't be a quick fix. All right, you need to be really sure of which one feels right to you, because you're going to live with the consequences. And as you are aware, quick fixes, they don't usually turn out well. Okay, so you have to do the research as to what each technology does. Either way, this tech should be available to everyone. To everyone. And because if we're not in survival, whether it's physically, mentally, or financially, if we are not in survival, then we have an opportunity to take a step back and really look at our life situation and look at the situation that the world is in. And we can figure out what our strengths are and apply those strengths in a way that we can help not only our local communities, but our state, our regions, our provinces, our countries, and then the world. Because, ladies and gentlemen, we're the ones that have to fix this. The military can only take it so far. And then we have to take over. We have to engage. We cannot leave it to them. That is not their job. It's our job. We, the people, must govern ourselves. Okay? We've had the experiment. We've made the mistakes. We know what happens when a global cabal takes over, when a secret government takes over, when a medical fraud is perpetrated on the humanity, and a sinister, dark, underground extraterrestrial force, what it has done to humanity. When all of this is disclosed, it'll be crystal clear to everyone that we, the people, have got to step up and manage our own affairs. Okay, just for our own survival. Just for our own survival. So that's what I know. Okay, that's what I know.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future updates. If you have any questions relating to today's video, please also leave them below. We read all the comments and take on board what our viewers have to say about Alex Collier's work. Remember, your support helps Alex Collier's knowledge and the messages from the Andromedans reach more people. If you'd like to support the channel even more, you can give us a super thanks tip by clicking the heart icon with a $sign. It really helps our team bring you more content. Also, be sure to visit alexcollier.org to sign up for our regular email newsletter. It's the best way to stay updated with the latest news, exclusive content, and upcoming live webinars. For the latest insights from Alex Collier, check out alexcollier.live. And if you want to explore over 250 past webinars, head over to alexcollier.tv. Thank you for being a part of this journey and supporting Alex Collier's work. We couldn't do this without you, and we're genuinely grateful for your support. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. If you would like to see the Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.